building a computer entirely from transistors. But what does this part here do? This is a register, and it stores 11 bits of data. Each LET shows the state of a single bit. This is a schematic of a single cell. It has 4 NAND gates and 1 NOT gate. It has 2 inputs, data and the enable, and this part here is the characteristic feedback loop which enables it to store information. Every computer has at least 2 registers, the program counter, which has the current instruction number, and the instruction register, which has the current instruction. As to numbers, we first need to send them to our registers, then send the registers to our arithmetic unit, and then send the output to our next register. My computer has in total 6 registers.